Hi friends, I am Renuka. Welcome back to my channel, and today is the unboxing of Tonic Studios, this card making kit. And it's kind of having lots of stuff inside, and they are it is like over the $70. And I don't have any subscription for this, but I heard lots about this, so I just thought that this month, rather than buying any kit, I should give it a try. And believe me, I got a really nice deal. I bought this from scrapbook.com at like 99 point something, so it is like only the $20. And look what inside, there are lots of stuff. So if you get the contain extra die, then you're gonna get this kit as well as this die. And I will show you that these are, oh my god, how many dies are there, and I'm gonna show you that. And what you got in the main kit is the one embossing folder, this embossing folder, and the die, and the of course the stamp set. And look at this stamp set. So it's really awesome one. And it's kind of, now you can see there is a little bit glare just because of my lighting setting. And lots of paper, and as well as you're gonna get one magazine. And in this magazine you can see all this stuff. There are lots of about Tonic Studio, same time their products, and same time how you can use this kit. So you will get a lots and lots of ideas that how you can, this man's Tonic kit, but we'll get lots and lots of ideas that how you get. So all these things are included in kit, and we'll get the closer look. This is the embossing folder, this die you're gonna get with this, and die embossing folder, and the stamp. And you're gonna get lots of stuff inside, that how to create the different cards and lots of different ideas using this die for the other projects also. As well as you can get the this kind of craft kit essentials, and you can subscribe to them like only $30 every 3 months, and you will get this kit. So this is quite an awesome one, and I like it because a really nice price, you get a really nice deal. Again, this video is not the kind of sponsor video. I purchased this from scrapbook.com, and I'll put the link below. But as all you know, the scrapbook.com, so you're gonna get lots and lots of things. So how many things you're gonna get? It's like these are the card toppers. You can see that happy birthday, you can stamp some sentiment from the stamp like this, gonna perfectly fit the blooming going day, happy birthday, wishing you. So you will get that, congratulations, and something like that. And then you get these papers. So either you want to use those card toppers, or either you can use these papers. So I'll just go through. These are the other card toppers, and you can see the same image here, the flower vase, but the flowers are different. In here you will get the flowers also. And oh, my flower stamp is I think missing, or it got stuck somewhere else, I don't know. Let's see. But yeah, and then there are these another like happy Father's Day. So you can get ton and tons of things in this kit, like 122 toppers, and this beautiful paper. And you can see the paper size is quite a big one. I can measure it for you. So it is like okay, it's 11 3/4 by 8 1/4, so it's quite a big one. So I'll just go through the things that how we'll get in another card toppers. And oh my god, lots of stuff. So basically on the one page you got this, and either you want to use those backing pages, so you're gonna get all these papers and the cardstocks. Now let's talk about the embossing folder. So you're gonna get this embossing folder. I just scrapped piece, and you can see that beautiful embossing. You can use it on the both the side. I didn't put a paper really properly, so it didn't give me a nice full impression here, but still you can see that there are these lines, and this everything is like going on there. And then I'm going to show you this stamp. And in this stamp I think there is something missing, because I just opened this kit today, and okay, I don't have these two stamps. So let's see, I'll call them or just give the customer support that I don't have this stamp. Maybe they send me the another stamp or something like that, and I'll keep you updated that what happened with the stamp, but still it's quite a nice still. And then I just tag it out for you guys that what it is. So we get this die, and in this die these flowers are like the, you will get this die something like this. So they have this, and then this border is kind of going, and then you can put this flower inside if you want to, or you can decorate this flower with another one. Now again, this kit is like they have lots and lots of idea, and you can have this also, so you can cut this, and I will show you it decorate really nicely. You can inlay all these patterns, and you can get another thing. I will definitely show the different ideas what they are showing in the craft magazine. I will not show those because then you'll get different ideas that how you can use, and I can play with this like I don't know 3 or 4 months along, because this is too big kit for me, because it's like, now you can see that it's nice intricate die, and if I cut that it can be the thing. And then these flowers, so I can top them like on one another and create a dimensional flowers also with this. And yeah, and lots of inlay parts, like it can't, you know, for a while I will throw those parts, otherwise it's just create a mess for me. And so this is about this die that came in this kit. But if you get the extra kit, like the extra things, then you're gonna get this die set, and this is kind of big one, and it's having lots of sizes, so you can create typically this full card sheet like this. And I'll show you, I kind of tend to die cut these, so you can get all these types. So if in case it may happen that they didn't give me the stamp, these two, the flourished stamp and this, but still it's like the nice deal for me. I don't know what happened with that, but yeah. And this there is one die which kind of goes with this flourish one like this, so you can create more with that. They do. And then these flowers also you can die cut separately, and I just want to give an idea that this is a nice side, and you can create a whole topper with it, because these three are kind of matching together, and it's like with love, so you can use for anything. And basically when I just open this kit, I want to show the unboxing of this kit. But I suggest you, if you want to use these dies, stick them with any kind of washi tape or the painter's tapes or the purple tape, because what happened, if you pass through them like the twice, if it's a watercolor or a little bit thicker cardstock, they may shift a little bit, and then if they shift you didn't get a proper result. So yeah, and this is the another die. You kind of get inlay in this one, and you can use the combination of that. And there are lots of projects in their, particularly their magazine, so that will give me you can give a nice idea, and as well as me, so you can create lots of things. So there are 10 stamps, 1 embossing folder, 7-in-1 die that having the flowers and all. Then you have this another big die which I shows you, and then 1 magazine, and all these papers, and 122 papers and toppers. So it's kind of combining. They are told that how this is. So this is kind of a very rocking kit, and it's like for UK it's like $12.99, but you can subscribe to it, and you can get more about this, and you will get the coupon code inside. So I'm gonna put the link below in the description box, that where you can buy this. Again, this video is not sponsored. I'm just here to share something with you, as you know, and I like this. So maybe when I'm using this kit, you also want to use this the same way or the different way. That's why I'm sharing this. So until the next crafty project, have a crafty life. Bye bye. Take care.